Hi, my name is Dylan O'Donnell from Team Celestron, and today we're going to set up the StarSense Explorer LT 114mm AZ telescope. The first thing you want to do is get out the tripod, extend the legs, and get that all set up. Put in the accessory tray, find the orange Celestron screw, and get that ready in the thread for the guide rod. Now the OTA has this guide rod here which is going to go straight through this one and guide that through and then tighten. Then you want to add the screws on each side of the OTA. Remove the two nuts here for the finderscope. Just slide it in and tighten. Now just pop in an eyepiece. For the smartphone cradle, we want to loosen off these two screws here and just slide it in and tighten. This is best done by getting a distant object like a street light in the eyepiece. Turn on the red dot finder and make adjustments with the screws until the red dot is right in the middle, just like it is in the eyepiece. Now your StarSense Explorer telescope is set up and ready to go. So download the StarSense Explorer app on your smartphone and follow the prompts on screen to align the telescope. Then you're ready to go outside and explore the night sky.